What is this OPRA exam? Who needs to take this exam? Pharmacists from India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, some African countries and other countries. I know you want to become a registered pharmacist in Australia, but passing OPRA exam is a crucial step. And if you're wondering, what is this OPRA exam? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you so that you can prepare stress-free. Now again the question is, what is this OPRA exam? The Overseas Pharmacist Readiness Assessment. This exam tests your pharmaceutical, biomedical, clinical knowledge. Repeat after me. Pharmaceutical, biomedical, clinical knowledge, ensuring you can provide safe and effective care in Australia and New Zealand. If you have completed your pharmacy degree outside Australia, New Zealand, Ireland, Canada, UK, US, then this is your gateway to become a registered pharmacist in countries like Australia and New Zealand. Now again, who needs to take this exam? Pharmacists from India, Pakistan, Nepal, Bhutan, Sri Lanka, Myanmar, Bangladesh, some African countries and other countries must take this exam if they are willing to practice as a pharmacist in countries like Australia and New Zealand. But before taking up this exam, you must go through the skill assessment outcome, which is very crucial for your visa application and provisional registration. If you are still confused whether you are eligible or not, then comment OPRA in the comment section and our team at Allied Expertise will reach out to you and help you figure out whether you are eligible or not. Let's discuss about the exam details. This OPRA exam is a computer-based online test which you can attempt from your home country. This one lasts for 2.5 hours, has 120 multiple choice questions with 0 or no negative marking. So you have to attempt all the questions. Now let's talk about the exam fee. It is 2,190 Australian dollars. The skill assessment fee is 810 Australian dollars. Now a pro tip. If you're willing to take up this examination, make sure you register at least 8 weeks before the closing date. That will help you a lot. If you're willing to prepare with Allied Expertise, then connect with Allied Expertise by commenting OPRA below in the comment section. Because at Allied Expertise, we help aspiring pharmacists clear their licensure exams like OPRA, PEBC, PSI, and Intern Written and Intern Oral. If you're willing to connect with us, then comment OPRA below and our team will reach out to you. Passing this exam is a milestone and you can do it with your dedication and your hard work. Found this video influential? Like this video, share this video, subscribe to Allied Expertise without forgetting to hit that bell icon.